Hi, I'm Mason with Bravura, and today I built a smart price quote automation tool. Now, if your company has ever lost leads due to the quoting process being too long or complicated, or for example, your employees are just super busy and they don't have the time to tend to all of the inbound leads you are receiving, then this automation is for you. Now, before I explain the automation itself, let me explain essentially the step before the first step so it makes sense. So most service-based companies are going to have a website with an inquiry form of some sort or a submission form. Essentially, the submission form is used to get all the information the service company needs to proceed with booking a consultation call, booking a meeting, or booking a service or anything of that sort. So from that inquiry form on your company's website, this webhook right here is designed to take all that information that it received from your inquiry form on your website, and then it sends all that information to our AI agent here. And this AI agent is prompted specifically for your business, whether it's the pricing logic or anything specific you want to be sent in your automated quote emails. This is where we would put it. So for the sake of this demo, my submission is going to be my first name and last name, Mason Gordon, and I came up with something, a random example for the sake of the demo. So the service I want is a 2-hour photo shoot in Miami. So in this AI agent here, I have a list of, rules and stuff for the prompt itself. And here I have pricing rules. So the AI agent will automatically factor all of this prompt directly into the request it received. So it'll take the information that it received, put it into the OpenAI chat model, and then the chat model is responsible for sending that personalized quote directly to the client's email. So from start to finish, they will go on your website, they will submit their first name, last name, email, phone number, and whatever else you want, and it'll end with a fully personalized quote in their email instantly without you lifting a finger. So I'm going to go ahead and show you an example of this workflow now. So as I said, for the sake of the demo, I do not have a submission form on a random website to use, so I'm using a testing program. So right now I execute workflow, and the webhook is now listening, waiting for a data value to be sent to it. So this would be, the values on your website submission form, name, email, and request. So I'm going to go ahead and send that request over. And here you go. Now it's thinking, and just like that, it is done. So it just took all that information and sent it directly to the client's email, which in our case is going to be our company's admin account. So just to show you how it works, here you go. Now here is the customized quote. And as I said, it is just a demo. So it will be the client's name. As I said right here, it's John Doe. So, hi, John Doe. Thanks for reaching out. Based on your request, here's your personalized quote. So now this is the request that I put in. So it'll give you a service summary and then a price breakdown of exactly why the price is the way it is, a total cost, and then now here are 2 links that we can hook up to your booking service or to request a call through Calendly or Google Meet or Zoom, whichever you guys prefer. And it'll basically funnel them to either request consultation if they do not like the quote or to book the service directly. So that is how this smart price quote tool works. And yeah,